Right guys, so we're out in the Supra. This is actually the first time driving it since we began the vinyl wrapping process. So it's been about four, 5, maybe even 6 weeks since I last drove it. Yeah. It's nice hearing that noise after a long time. Never gets old. So I'll hold back a little bit just to give you a bit more of an idea where we're off to. So we're going to get the MOT done on the Supra. The MOT, for those of you that don't know, is a standard test that you have to get done once a year on a vehicle in the UK. Kind of similar to, I guess, the smog test and other things in the States or other countries. Basically, it's just going to check the car for roadworthiness, see if there's any leaks, that type of stuff, get that fixed. So the MOT is actually booked for a few days' time. I'm now going to drop it to Darren over at Magnum Performance. Darren is a Supra specialist, worked on them for many, many years. I'm dropping it to him because I suspect I've got a slight leak from the gearbox, so small drops of fluids. Just really going to give it to him to have a look. Nothing major, but what we're planning to do is obviously take this thing on a track, see how it performs. So it made sense, as well as doing the MOT for the car, get it up on a ramp and see if it is actually leaking and what needs to be done about that to fix it. So yeah, a little bit more background about Magnum Performance. The Supra specialists, like I said, they do all kinds of work from small single turbo setups like 500-600 horsepower all the way up to crazy horsepower numbers like well into the thousands. Darren himself's got a lot of history and experience with track racing, so you might be familiar with the name Garage Whiff Bits. Darren actually used to work alongside them a few years back and help set up their track cars. So he knows what it takes when it comes to putting a Supra on the track. So right now we're going to go for nothing too crazy. It's just very much to do a baseline, make sure the car's okay, make sure there's no leaks like that. Then put it on the track, see how it performs, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. So I've got the windows down. Some of you might be thinking, why has it not got the windows up? But to be honest, when you've got noise and a soundtrack like this, it's something you constantly want to hear, right? So what we'll do is we'll video a few more driving shots, etc. And then yeah, once we get to Magnum Performance, we'll give you guys a look at some of the cars. Hopefully he's working on some good stuff at the moment. I tell you what, this sound does not get old. You might only drive it once in a blue moon, but when you do, it puts a smile on your face. So I'm having this really weird feeling at the moment where every time I go past a reflection or I see the car, or even if I'm looking in my mirrors now and I can see the back of the car, it's like the car's gone black. So yeah, not used to it. My brain is obviously still silver. The interior is still silver at the moment as well, so I think that might be part of the reason that needs to get sprayed at some point. But I hope you guys enjoyed the following driving clips. Hopefully the sound gets captured well. Put the windows up. I'll tell you what, if you're not used to that kind of power, yeah, after not driving it for a while, it puts you back in chills. The problem is, around town you can't drive it. You actually need a big stretch of road with a higher speed limit so that you can get there and enjoy it a little bit more when the boost comes in. Lovely.
Is this a Supra?
Holy God, is a Supra in the back?
Dude, is this a Supra?
Wow! Is that a Supra?
Dude, is it a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Dude, is this a freaking Supra?
Right guys, so we're here now. Let me just take the car inside. Check they've got the face mask. And then we'll go inside and show you a little bit more about what some of the stuff is working on. So yeah, catch you in a sec. Right guys, so dropped the car off. Darren's going to have a quick look at it, so just about to catch the train back home. Hope you enjoyed that quick look at the type of stuff he's working on, and just yeah, our first drive after a long time is always a sweet drive. Here comes the train. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out guys.